So we're going to get our 4x cubed plus our 6x squared, our ax and our 3. And we're going to divide that by 2x plus 1. Alright, so first thing we're going to ask P, what is 4x cubed divided by 2x? So 4xxx divided by 2x. What's your answer? The x's cancel. The 2 divides into the 4 how many times? Okay, what's left on top? 2x squared. Okay, awesome. You've divided successfully. Now you're going to multiply. Multiply your 2x squared by the 2 of them. Still, P. 2x squared multiplied by 2x? Nearly. 2x squared multiplied by 2x. How many x's do you see? So, 4x, 3. 2x squared multiplied by 1. 2x squared multiplied by 1. 2x squared. We cool with that? Alright. We've multiplied successfully. Now we're going to subtract. So how do you subtract? Sorry, question. So what you get? 0. 6 take away 2. 4. Lads, it's 4 of them right there. Ready? It's 4 of them right there. Now, we got to drop. What are we dropping? We're dropping 8x. Okay. Beside Paddy, you're up. Okay. Now, we're going to do 2x, 4x squared divided by 2x. What'd you get? 4xx divided by 2x. What cancels? One of them from top and bottom. 2x. All right. We've successfully divided. Happy days. What comes next? What comes next? No, you're still up. What comes next? After division. So multiply the 2x by the other 2x and by the 1. So what you get? 4x squared, yeah. 2x multiplied by 1. Did anybody get this far without me? Okay, good job. Now, what happens next? So I need you to subtract. So what does subtract mean? 4x squared take away 4x squared? 0. 8x take away 2x? 6x, yeah? Back to the start now. TC. So you're back to the start. What you need to do, so what do you drop? What's the only thing we haven't used yet? So the 3. Okay. We're dividing again, yeah? What is 2x, 6x divided by 2x? Nearly. The x's cancel. And 6 divided by 2? 3. Now, lads, if you're wondering, there's a pattern on the top. It always goes x squared x number. Does everybody see that? On every single answer you did for homework, it's always x squared x number. Every time. Okay? Now, you've divided. Well done. What's after division? TC. Multiply. What you multiply? And the 3 by the. So what you get? Yeah. Yeah. And finally, what comes after multiply? And what happens then? Take them away and you get 0. All right. Anybody beat me to it? You guys let me know and I catch up to you. Probably already caught up, have I? Shh. All right. DMS drop. Okay. AOR. What you get for the first part? Divided by 2x. And what you get there? Yeah, you did. Well done. That's actually sort of 3 out of 10, believe it or not. So you've got 30% of your marks already. Right? Happy days. So the x's cancel. 14 divides by 2 7 times. 7xx, which is otherwise known as 7x squared. Legend. Right. Now we're going to multiply. JC, you multiply this. 7x squared times 2x. 14x cubed. 7x squared times 5. 35x squared. Good job. All right. And what do we do then? Minus them. And what happens? Okay. The other JC, or JW even. Go on. What you do next? Drop the 16x. Yeah. Now repeat your procedure. So what are you going to do? You're going to divide 8x squared by, and what you get? 4x. Good job. What you do after you multiply, divide. What you do after that? DMS drop. Divide, multiply, subtract, drop. You divided. So what's next? So what you multiply? Yeah. What you get? 20x. Yeah. Okay. You multiply. What you do next? Subtract them. So and nearly minus 4x. Okay. Drop to 10. Okay. Now, nearly there. Okay. E. S. E. S. And that's the Europe. Okay. Divide 4x by 2x. Minus 4x divided by 2x. What you get? Plus 2 or minus 2? Minus 2. Multiply them now. What you get when you multiply? Yeah. Minus 10, yeah. Minus when you change it. And then answer. All right. Who got it? Sorry, guys. Question 14 has one problem in it, and the problem is very easily changed. Can everybody look up the board? Do you see the way it's missing an x squared? See the way it's missing an x squared? Just change the question into this. That's all you have to do. Oh, sorry. Squared. Squared, not cubed. No, just give me a second. Every question you've done before now, every single question you've done has an x cubed, an x squared, an x, and a number. See the way this one hasn't got an x squared? So I just call it 0x squared. Because what does 0x squared mean? Nothing. Have I changed anything? No. You're just leaving it there just to hold the position so everything looks the same. So you guys are going to long divide that in now. And it should be exactly the same as last time. Okay? So you grab your first 9x divided by 3x. 3x squared. Yeah. 9 divided by 3. 3xx. What you do now? You divide it. So what you do next? So multiply it. Shh. Go on. What you get? What's 3x squared times 3x? Yes, it is. Because it's usually exactly what's above it. They usually cancel each other out. So you know it's 9x cubed. What's 3x squared times minus 1? Yeah. Change the signs. What you get then? Minus. And this one? Change the sign. There you go. 0 plus 3. Drop. Okay. OJ, you're up. Okay. You're going to divide your 3x squared by your 3x. Doesn't need any help. Yes, it is. Well done. It's 3xx divided by 3x. And as OJ rightfully said, so it's going to be an x or 1x. All right. After you divide, what do you do? So I want you to multiply it for me now. We're going to multiply this, yeah? See the two lines? We're going to multiply them. 1x by 3x. Yeah, you knew that was going to happen, didn't you? Because it has to cancel. X times minus 1. Okay, change the signs. So that's a plus, so that turns into a minus. That's a minus, it turns into a. And what you get? Minus 19 plus 1. If you used your calculator, it'd be minus 18, all right? Minus 19 and plus 1 is actually minus 18. Okay, it's all right. What you do then? We already subtracted. So, 6. All right. Andrew, ready? You're now dividing 18x by 3x. Minus 18x is getting divided by 3x. What you get? Any idea? Yeah, plus or minus though. Which one is it? What's the x's cancel? And what's minus 18 divided by 3? Yeah. You're going to multiply now. Sometimes when you multiply, what's minus 6 times 3x? Yeah. And what's minus 6 times minus 1? Yeah. Change the signs. Huh? Yeah. Plus and minus, and you get 0. And you're done. Who beat me to it? 3x squared plus 1x minus 6.